Today we're going to do an unboxing of the OmniCharge, which I ordered off of Indiegogo, I'm going to say about a year ago. In fact, I totally forgot that I even ordered it. It finally got made. It just came in the mail. So let's pop it open and see if it is any good in comparison to the Mophie, which just came out. And that's about the same price. This was $179 and the Mophie is $199. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, or that might be you, then make sure to hit the subscribe button below because I post new videos every Monday and usually Thursdays. All right, so today we have the OmniCharge, which if you had seen this on Indiegogo like a year ago, because Mophie hadn't come out with a 22,000 megahertz or mega amps, I'm not sure what the correct thing is, but they had come out with a battery pack, an external battery pack, which if you're a graphic designer like me and you do video, when you're using a laptop, it sucks up so much power. Now, I used to have a MacBook Air and that lasted pretty long, but it wasn't as powerful. So I switched to a MacBook Pro in which the battery dies like right away. Like after 3 or 4 hours, I am done and I need to look for a wall plug-in, which isn't always possible. So I really wanted an external battery charger like this one. Now, it came shrink wrapped, so we'll just rip this off. Over here. And it has their little logo here on the front. So this opens up just like a box of chocolates. So the top pops off, if I'm doing this right. And inside here we have a sticker and we have a QR code for downloading the product manual, and we have the actual product itself. So it comes in this sort of, I'm gonna say it's like a, can you hear that? It's like cardboard, maybe? I'm not really sure, but it comes fitted just for this. I don't think there's anything else in here except this actual device. So I'm not really sure how to charge it. Now, it did say it was USB-C and that it has, let's see, it only has USB-C. It has an on-off button here, and it has 2 USB slots and what looks like little knobs, which must be the reason why they gave you the card that says download the manual first. All right, it's been a month of using the OmniCharge C, and while I did find it useful for charging my phone, my iPad, and I actually have no other devices that needed to charge, but I'm sure it would have charged those just fine. It's kind of bulky and big. It has 22,000 mega amp hertz or whatever it is. You can get one 1/4 this size and way slimmer that can charge a phone and other devices. So you don't even need something this bulky. The only reason I purchased it is because I thought I could charge my laptop with it. Now, I purchased this on Indiegogo, and the problem is this is a USB-C version. It's their latest version, and it can only power another MacBook that has a USB-C charge. It can't charge anything else. So the problem is when I was looking at their Indiegogo site, it clearly does say USB-C, but over here at the bottom, let me just scroll down to that, they have a picture where it has an output power where it looks like you could actually plug in a powered a cord and charge your laptop, which is what I thought I was getting, but that is not it. So they used some old stock photos. I'm not really sure what happened, but clearly I did not get that model. I got the other model, so I'm returning it. Now, their customer service was not very helpful. In fact, I think they just kept referring me back to the paperwork, their online guide for their how-to guides, because it did take me a while to figure out that I couldn't charge my laptop, which seems so obvious right now. But because the customer service wasn't very good, and it took them like 3 or 4 days to answer me, this has been like over a month now that I've had this. So they did finally offer to give me a refund, but they are charging me a 20% restocking fee. So make sure that you purchase the right device from OmniCharge. Otherwise, I mean, I didn't hate the device. It worked just fine as it was described, I'm sure. I didn't actually check it out on a MacBook that has a USB-C because my MacBook doesn't have one, so I wasn't able to check it out. So I think that you are better off buying the Mophie, which does the exact same thing, but it has the outlet that like here that I originally thought I was purchasing. So they did offer to let me exchange it for that one and then pay a difference. But considering the customer service was so bad, I decided not to go with that, and instead I'm just going to order the Mophie instead. So I will do a follow-up video where I'm using the Mophie, which I can actually use because I will buy the correct one, and come back with another unboxing and review of that for you. All right, I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you guys later.